Founder of Slave Dynasty, Qutbuddin Aibak. Slave Dynasty first ruler, Qutbuddin Aibak. Lal Baksh, Qutbuddin Aibak. 2.5 दिन का जो ओपरा मॉस्क्यू, कुतुब इस्लाम मॉस्क्यू and 2.5 दिन का जो ओपरा situated respectively at Delhi, Ajmer. Not contributed to building the famous Qutub Minar. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Started by Qutbuddin Aibak, completed by Iltutmish. Topmost story damaged by lightning, rebuilt by Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Qutub Minar was completed by Iltutmish. Capital of Qutbuddin Aibak, Lahore. How did the Sultan Qutbuddin Aibak die? He died after a fall from his horse while playing Chaugan. Who among the following established Delhi as the capital of Sultanate? Iltutmish. First Sultan of Delhi who introduced regular coin and declared Delhi the capital of empire. Iltutmish. Capital of Sultanate during the reign of Iltutmish, Delhi. Who among the following Sultan of Sultanate was first to shift his capital to Delhi? Iltutmish. First Muslim ruler of Delhi. Iltutmish. Muslim ruler whose empire has regarded as a part of Dar-us-Salam was Iltutmish. Slave of slave, Iltutmish. Not rivals of Iltutmish, Malik al-Tunia. Rivals included Tajuddin Yaldouz in Ghaznavi, Nasiruddin Qabat. Who of the following was first woman ruler of medieval Rajya Sultan? Mongol invader Genghis Khan came through the northwest frontier of India. Iltutmish. Which Sultanate of Delhi was a contemporary of Mongol leader Genghis Khan? Iltutmish. Mongol were seen on the bank of Indus River for the first time. Iltutmish. Mongol under Genghis Khan invaded India during the reign of Iltutmish. Original name of Genghis Khan was Temujin. Consider the following statement. It was during the reign of Iltutmish that Genghis Khan reached the Indus and pursued the fugitive Khwarazm prince. Iltutmish appointed his first Subedar in Bihar to Malik Jani, who was behind the dethroning of Razia Begum. Turks. Full name of Sultan of Delhi Balban was Ghiyasuddin. This Sultan of Delhi is said to have followed the policy of blood and iron policy Balban. Balban made his government firm, stable and decentralized all authority in his hand. He wanted to protect northwest frontier against Mongol invasion. Balban made his government firm and centralized authority. He wanted to secure northwest border. After consolidating his power, Balban assumed the grand title of Jil-e-Ilahi. First Muslim ruler formulated the theory of kingship, similar to theory of divine right of the king. Balban. Persian festival Nowruz in India. Balban. Introduced Persian festival Nowruz in India. Balban. Not true about Balban. Introduced Iqtidari system. Theory of Niyabakat e Khudai or eliminate power of Turkan e Chalgani cooled down revolt of Bengal. Iqtidari was introduced by Iltutmish. Jil-e-Ilahi Balban. Called himself helper of Khalifa in his inscription on the wall of Mosque of Grah Mukteswar. Balban. Tughril Khan raised a standard of revolt during whose reign Balban